So I'm not exactly sure when this video is going to be posted by my terrific marketing director, but I have two major holidays coming up. It's Thanksgiving and then Christmas. And it could affect your time sharing for those dates if you don't do something now. Hi, my name is attorney Anthony Spratley. I'm the owner and founder of Genus Law Group here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where we practice family law throughout the state of New Mexico. I felt it this morning, the cooler air, fall is coming, and so are holidays, and so are the, proverbial custody fights about who gets Thanksgiving and who gets Christmas this year. And maybe you already have a plan in place and you're confident that that plan will hold out, right? For your parenting plan will hold out for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, and things will be fine. Maybe last year it didn't work out so well and you're frustrated and you want to make sure that you get the time that your children deserve with you for Thanksgiving or for Christmas. But I tell you what, if you wait, then you're not going to get that time. If you wait too late, you're not going to address this issue. You will not get the time that you deserve with your children. If for some reason you don't get that time, then you're going to be back next year around the same time trying to get this issue fixed. So you need to address these issues about, we call it holiday time sharing schedules now. That time of the year, like Thanksgiving and Christmas, we all want to spend time with our families. And if you felt like you didn't get enough of that time last year because you weren't communicating well with the other parent, or perhaps again you didn't have something that was well defined, then now is the time to act. Why do I say that? Let's talk about November, right? So if you file something in court, you might get a court. If you file something in court, let's say today, you might have 30 days right before your hearing to address these issues. The later you go, the less opportunity that you will have to address these issues. What about the December? What about the Christmas time sharing or the holiday period if the kids are out of school? Yes, they will be out of school. You got to address that as well. That's significant time sharing that you could have with your children, right? It's 2 weeks out of school. You might be able to get like some extra time during that time period to have time with your children. And if you don't have well-defined periods during this holiday time sharing, you could lose out on some valuable time with your children during that time period. So you need to act now. You need to actively be thinking about these things now, because I promise you, if you wait till November, it's going to be too late. Why? Usually the courts, right? They celebrate Thanksgiving. They celebrate the holidays as well. And the courts, their schedules tend to compress during these critical time periods because other people, just like you, are trying to seek some sort of relief from the court to get that Thanksgiving time sharing schedule and also that winter break. I know I called it Christmas, but that winter break schedule as well. And you can imagine the more of those people that are trying to get into court, the less time there is. And so what I find typically in November and December, because a lot of these issues are being addressed, the court schedule becomes compressed and it becomes harder and harder to get into court to address those issues. If you feel like your Thanksgiving and your holiday time sharing schedule, your winter break schedule isn't what you think it should be based on your past experiences, you need to address it now with the other parent first, of course. And if not, you need to get into court soon, right? As soon as you can to address these issues with the judge. So hopefully you can get some resolution before the judge's calendar gets too crazy and you don't have the opportunity to have your case heard, and then you'll miss another holiday period or a significant time with your child. All right, folks, again, act early. I would act now. Get the time that your kids deserve with you, and let's get ready for this fall season and enjoy time with your family. If you want more information or more contact, reach us at www.GENUSLAWGRP. You can get more content there as well. You can also go to our Protect Your Success podcast at Apple Podcasts. All right, have a great day.